Microscope. A microscope is an optical instrument that magnifies small objects to make them visible for detailed examination. There are different types of microscopes, but the two main categories are: light microscope uses visible light to illuminate specimens. Electron microscope uses electron beams instead of light for higher resolution. Types include transmission electron microscopes (TEM) for thin specimens and scanning electron microscopes (SEM) for 3D surface. Basic components of a light microscope: objective lens magnifies the specimen. Eyepiece, ocular lens, further magnifies the image formed by the objective lens. Mechanical stage, platform where the specimen is placed. Light source illuminates the specimen. Diaphragm controls the amount of light. Condenser focus the light from the illuminator onto the specimen. Focus adjustment, fine and coarse adjustments to bring the specimen into focus. Steps for using a light compound microscope: place the specimen on the stage, adjust the objective lens to the lowest magnification, illuminate the specimen using the light source, use the coarse adjustment to bring the specimen into rough focus. Refine the focus with the fine adjustment, increase magnification by rotating the objective lens. Use immersion all for higher magnifications.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.